Well, I got a 2000 Ford Explorer. We installing the amp. So the amp, we ran the RCA jack and remote out here because this is an aftermarket radio. So everything's pop off right there. All you do is take a flat hat and pry it out. But right there, I want to show you where the you should run the power wire. The power wire run up there through this booth right there. I'm gonna go to the front. So right there, as you can see right there, I kind of take a flat hat and push it through. Make sure you're not pushing the power, wire that's in there. They'll damage the wire, short the wire. And this is where we're gonna run it at later with the fuse. So let's go out to the back. So the back right here, what I did, I shaved, not shaved, I sanded really good. Look at it right here. Sand right here, and then sand on the bottom right there also. I'm using this right there to sand it. And then I just put back the screw. Is you can use a 3/4 on this. And then you put the ground underneath right so, and just tighten everything back. Try to get to the jacks, RCA jack, and put the remote in. In order to do that, I'm gonna pull this out a little bit, but now I'm getting stuck right here, so I'm gonna have to take the 7mm out, this out, pop this out with the prior door trim remover, or prior, or flat head, whatever. Go like so, right here, and then put it on the side, and then take this 7mm out and lift it up. And then push this out a little bit so you can move to this part. So basically what I did, I pry it out, lift it up, and about this high, right there, and come up right here and keep it right there, and then I can pull this out. Right there, and kind of, then I'm gonna have to lift this up so it'll be able to move. Now I can cheat if I wanted to, but I'm gonna put it on accessory and put it on number 1 right here, and then I can move this a little bit so I can take that 7mm out right there. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there, so I can snap it in real quick. So yep, I'm gonna have to lift this up a little bit high and pull it back. You should have this much room right there, see? That much room so you can remove this side and then this side later. It's best to remove this, I think that's a seatbelt notifier or seatbelt signal. Push this in, it looks like that, right? Push that on the bottom, push it up, push it up like so, and pull it out. Then you have more room to put everything in. So right here, you want to put the jack from the radio to the input at the amp. And then you got power from the battery, go right here, and the remote from the radio and the ground. And this is to the positive and negative, the mono, so you hook it up straight to the speakers.